Next method is Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. So consider the initial value problem dy by dx equal to f of xy, y of x naught equal to y naught. Now we need to find y of x naught plus h, where h is the step size. So we have to first compute k1, k2, k3, k4 by the following formulae. Here k1 is equal to h into f of x naught y naught, k2 h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k1 by 2, k3 h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus k2 by 2, k4 h into x naught plus h y naught of k3 y naught plus k3. So first we have to find k1, k2, k3, k4. Then the required Runge-Kutta formula to find the solution for initial value problem is y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So in this, as you compare to previous methods, you will get the solution which is better than the previous methods. This is Runge-Kutta method of fourth order. So now we are going to solve some examples. First example, using Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, solve dy by dx plus y is equal to 2x at x equal to 1.1, given that y is equal to 3 at x equal to 1 initially. This is the given problem. We use Runge-Kutta method of fourth order to find the required solution. So for this, first write down the given data. So we have dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y, and initial condition x naught is 1, then y naught is 3. Now what is the given function? We write it as dy by dx is nothing but f of xy. This is equal to 2x minus y. And what is x naught plus h? X naught plus h is, what is the value for the solution we need to find? That is x equal to 1.1. So x naught plus h is 1.1. So this implies, what is h? Because h is not mentioned here. So what is h? X naught is 1, h we don't know. 1.1 minus 1 is 0.1. So h will be 0.1. Now according to RK method rule, first we shall compute k1, k2, k3, k4. So we shall compute k1, k2, k3, k4. So what is k1? Just write on the formula. K1 is h into f of x naught y naught. So what is h here? H is 0.1. H is 0.1 into f of x naught y naught. F of, what is x naught? X naught is 1, y naught is 3. F of x naught y naught. This is nothing but 0.1 into, what is your f of x naught y naught? F of x naught y naught is 2x minus y. So 2x minus y means what? It is 2 into 1 minus y. Y is 3. So it is 2 into 1 minus 3, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into 0.1, it will be minus 0.1. So similarly, K2 is equal to formula is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 y naught plus use the previous value, that is k1 by 2. This is k2. So try to always write the formula whenever you solve the example, so that substitution will be very easy. So h is 0.1, f of x naught plus h by 2. What is x naught? X naught is 1 plus h by 2 is 0.1 by 2. Y naught is 3, k1 by 2. K1 is minus 0.1 whole divided by 2. So what it is? 0.1 into f of, when you simplify this, what happens? This is f of k1 is, h is 0.1 into f of, when you simplify this, 2 plus 0.1 divided by 2. So what happens? It is 1.05 and 3 minus 0.1 by 2. 3 minus 0.1 by 2, it will be 3 minus 0.1 by 2. So when you simplify, 0.1 into f of 1.05 comma 2.95, when you simplify it. So it is 0.1 into, what is the function now? F of xy. It is 2x minus y. 2 times 1.05 minus 2.95. 2.95. Then when you simplify it, what it becomes? 0.1 into 2.1.05 minus 2.95. When you simplify, you will get 0.0 minus 0.085. Then k3, this is what? k2. If you want, put it box. Then k3, again formula is h into f of x naught plus h by 2 minus y naught plus, now use the previous one, k2 by 2. Substitute the formulas, values. So h by 2, h is 0.1, f of x naught plus h by 2 already we have calculated, so it is 1.05. Y naught is 3, k2 is minus 0.085 divided by 2. So just simplify. 0.1 into f of 1.05. When you simplify that, 3 minus 0.085 divided by 2, it will be 2.9575. Now substitute in the equation, that is 0.1 into, write it in the form of a differential equation, that is 2 into 1.05 minus 2.9575. Just simplify it. When you simplify, k3 will be minus 0.08575. This is k3. Now find k4. So again h into f of, now at the last formula will be x naught plus h plus y naught plus only k3. Y naught plus k3. Now substitute the values. H is 0.1, f of x naught plus h. X naught is 1, h is 0.1. It will be, or else we'll write it once. 1, 0.1. Y naught is 3. K3 is 0.08575. So 0.1 into f of 1.1. 3 minus 0.08575. So it is 2.91425. So when you simplify it, what will you get? 0.1 into f of xy means 2 into 1.1 minus 2.91425. Just simplify it. After calculation, you will get it as minus 0.071425. This is what? K4. So, while finding the solution, first we need to find K1, K2, K3, K4. After that, substitute in the formula. So, according to Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, what is the formula? We have y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Y naught plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. This is the formula. You have all the values, just substitute them. We know values, just substitute them. So y naught is 3 plus 1 by 6. K1 is minus 0.1 plus 2 times. K2 is minus 0.085 plus 2 times. K3 is two times minus 0.08575 minus 0.071425. This is K4. So after simplification, you will get it as 2.9145125. Here this is nothing but, that is thus y is equal to 1.1 is equal to 2.9145. It is enough. You may write only 4 decimals. This is the required value solution for the given differential equation using RK method. Next example. Using Runge-Kutta method of fourth order, find y of 0.2 for the equation dy by dx is equal to y minus x divided by y plus x. Y of 0 is equal to 1, taking h as 0.1. B, compute y of 0.1. So you are given with the differential equation dy by dx is equal to y minus x by y plus x. Initial conditions are 0 and 1. And what they have mentioned? They have mentioned step length as 0.1. But what they asked you to find y of 0.2. Initial condition is 0. 0. Then our next question is to find solution for 0.2. So 0 to 0.2, how many values will be there? That maintaining the step length 0.1. So when they mentioned your condition is 0, initial condition, and x naught plus h is what? It is 0.2. When x naught plus h is 0.2 and it is 0, what they have mentioned? H is 0.1. When h is 0.1, then this is the 0.1. When h is 0.1, from here to here, 0 to 0.2, step length will be 0.2. That's why to maintain this h is equal to 0.1, first we need to compute y of 0.1. Then later find y of 0.2 considering 0.1 as the initial condition. For this, 0 is the initial condition. So this example is solved in 2 stages. So write down solution. The problem has to be done in 2 stages. Why 2 stages? I hope you people come to know now. Now at the first stage. In the first stage, x0 is 0 and y0 is 1. So in the first stage, stage 1, f of xy is what? Y minus x divided by y plus x. x0 is 0, y0 is 1. x0 is 0, y0 is 1, and h is 0.1. Now, according to the rule, we shall first compute K1, K2, K3, K4. So, we shall first compute K1, K2, K3, K4. So, go on writing the formulas and substitute the respective values. That's it. K1 is h into f of x0, y0. For this example, function is changed now. Function is y minus x by y plus x. Just keep that in mind. So, h is 0.1. Then f of x0 is what? x0 is 0. y0 is 1. f of 0 comma 1. So this is nothing but 0.1 into what is the function? Function is y minus x. y minus x divided by y plus x. 1 minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. What it is? 1 by 1. Multiply with 0.1. So what is K1? K1 is 0.1. So it is K1. Similarly, K2, h into f of x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus previous value K1 by 2. Now, h is 0.1, f of x0 is 0, h is 0.1 by 2, y0 is 1 plus k1 is 0.1 by 2. So when you simplify, what it is? 0.1 into f of 0.1 by 2 is 0.05. 0.05 plus 1, 1.05. These are the 2 points, 0.05 and 1.05. So, 0.1 into, what is the function now? Y minus x divided by y plus x. Y minus x, 1.05 minus 0.05 divided by 1.05 plus 0.05. So when you simplify it and multiply with 0.1, you will get K2 as 0.091. This is K2. Subtract, add, then divide, multiply with 0.1. That's it. Simple algebra. Now K3. K3, what is the formula? H into f of x0 plus h by 2 y0 plus k2 by 2. So h is 0.1, f of x0 plus h by 2 already we found. So that is 0.05. y0 is 1 plus k2 by 2. k2 is 0.091 whole divided by 2. So 0.091 divided by 2. Then it is 0.1 into f of 0.05 1 plus 0.091 by 2. 0.091 by 2 it will be 1.0455. Now 0.1 into 1.0455 minus 0.05 whole divided by 1.0455 plus 0.05. When you simplify this, you will get K3 as 0.0909. This is K3. Now K4. K4 is H into F of X naught plus H, comma, Y naught plus K3. H is 0.1, F of X naught plus H is 0.1, Y naught is 1, K3 is 0.0909. So F of 0.1, comma 1 plus 0.0909. Then what will be the points now? So points are 0.1 into F of 0.1, comma 1.0909. Then when you write it in the form of function, y minus x, so 1.0909 minus 0.1 whole divided by 1.0909 plus 0.1. Simplify it and multiply with 0.1, you will get K4. So K4 is equal to 0.0832. So to find the solution, now we got K1, K2, K3, K4. Just substitute the values in the formula. So we have y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2 K2 plus 2 K3 plus K4. So y of x naught plus h is what now? It is 0.1. Y naught is 1 by 6 K1 is equal to 0.1 plus 2 times K2. 2 times K2 is 0.091 plus 2 times K3 0.0909 plus K4 0.0832. So simplify it, you will get 1.09116 or approximately y of 0.1 is equal to 1.0912. This is y of 0.1. So this is y of 0.1, that is 1.0912. Now, and since the question is asked in two sub-questions, then A and B. In the sub-question B, they asked you to compute y of 0.1. That so solution for B is we got here only. So in the note, write it as solution of B. Ends here. But solution of A not yet over, because now we got the value for half of the part, that is 0.1. Our aim is to find for 0.2. So second stage, that is function will remain same, f of xy is equal to y minus x divided by y plus x. Now initial value is going to change now. X naught is equal to 0.1, y naught is equal to 1.0912. Now these two acts as initial conditions and h will be same, that is 0.1. Now your work is to find same, that is K1, K2, K3, K4 later solution. So again by using the same formula, for K1, K2, K3, K4, we have K1. Now already we wrote the formulas in the first stage, so directly you can write the values. So 0.1 h into h means 0.1, f of x naught y naught, x naught is 0.1, y naught is 1.0912. Yes. Now again just write it in the form of function. So 0.1 into function is 1.0912 minus 1.1, that is y minus x, divided by y plus x, 1.0912 plus 0.1. Just simplify this and multiply with the 0.1. So we will get 0.0832. Similarly, K2 is 0.1, f of x naught plus h by 2. So it is x naught is now 0.1 plus h by 2, h is 0.1 by 2, and y naught is 1.0912 plus k1 by 2, k1 by 2 is 0.083 by 2. So it is 0.1 into f of 0.1 by 2 is 0.05, 0.1. So it will be 0.15, and when you simplify this term you will get 0.15 comma 1.328. Again when you substitute in the function form, write it in the function form, what will you get here? It is 0.1 into 1.328 minus 0.15 whole divided by 1.328 plus 0.15. Now simplify it and multiply with 0.1. You will get this as 0.0766. That is K2. Then K3, 0.1 into f of, this will be same, 0.15, and here it will be y naught 1.0912 plus 0.0766 divided by 2. So 0.1 into f of, this will be same, 0.15, 1.0912 plus 0.0766 divided by 2. When you simplify this, you will get the point as 1.1295. So it is 1.1295. This is 1328. So by writing it in the function form, you will get 1.1295 minus 0.15 whole divided by 1.1295 plus 0.15. When you simplify it, you will get 0.07. You get 0.0766 and 655. This is K4, K3. Similarly, K4, it is 0.1 into f of x naught plus h, it will be 0.2, y naught 1.0912 plus K3 0.07655, obviously 0.1 into f of 0.2 comma 1.16775. So it will be 0.2 comma 1.16775. Just substitute. Just now you got points for K4, then it will be K4 is equal to 0.1 into f of 0.2 comma 1.16775. Yes. Now you can write it in the function form. 0.1 into 1.16775 minus 0.2 1.16775 plus 0.2. So when you simplify and multiply with 0.1, you will get 0.0705. This is K4. Once you get all the values K1, K2, K3, K4, what is our next move? Just write down the Runge-Kutta formula. Y of x naught plus h is equal to y naught plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. Just substitute the respective values. Now here y naught is 1.0912 plus 1 by 6. K1 is 0.0832 plus 2 times K2. K2 is 0.0766 plus K3, 2 times K3 0.07655 plus K4 0.07075. So just simplify all the values, add them and then write. So it is 1.0912 plus 1 by 6, 0.0832 plus 0.1532 plus 0.1531 plus 0.07075. So it will be 1.1679. Just rounded the fourth figure. That is y of 0.2 is equal to 1.1679 is the required solution for the given differential equation for the 0.2, taking step length h as 0.1. We'll solve some more examples in next class.